So Paul, I'd like to dive into a topic a little deeper, and that's a conversation I've been having recently around omnichannel versus multi-channel. We're seeing a huge shift towards omnichannel retailing as businesses start to create this kind of consistent proposition that's now channel agnostic. Do you think that this is the right way to go, and are you hearing the same, or actually is there still a place for multi-channel retailing?
It's another really good question, and I would probably take this a step further. I mean, if you think of the sort of 2010s, the single biggest debate was online versus offline, which sort of component is going to win. Now, the reality is that train has left the station, that ship has sailed. We know it's both. We know it's a hybrid model. I'm not a fan of multi-channel, omni-channel. No doubt some consultants had invented that word and have pushed that out into the market.